Yan. This is for your feedback. Thank you, Ralph and Noreline, for attending your pre-K session with us from the Roman Catholic Society of St. John the Baptist. Thank you. And let us hear your feedback for uh, the just concluded session. Ngayon natin si Noreline. What can you say? Anong naging realization mo sa pag-attend dito?
Opo. First of all po, thank you so much po, Father, for the fruitful discussion and lecture that you have given us po. Throughout the session po, we learned about marriage, we learned about the role of each other po sa future na magiging pagsasama namin bilang mag-asawa, and also
Mm.
yung pagiging selfless,
Mm.
also sa magiging marriage life po namin. And thank you so much po sa wisdom and sa yun po, yung mga lessons and advices po na binigay niyo po throughout the lessons, and we will truly treasure it po, and
Practice.
practice po,
Apply.
practice, opo,
Apply din.
apply po. Yan po.
Okay. Thank you, Noreline. Now, Rap, it's your turn.
Um, Salamat po dahil madami po kaming natutunan din po sa inyo sa marriage po, kung paano po mag-start at paano po ang mga decision making, saka sa pag-ano po, sa paano po namin maintindihan ang sarili namin at ang isa't isa.
Yes. And finally, thank you, Ralph, for that. Finally, sa pagtatapos, here's another principle that you need to know. Ang sabi ni Apostle Paul sa Ephesians chapter 5, husbands, love your wives and do not be harsh to them. Bawal maging harsh sa asawang babae. Bawal direktang kahit totoo. Direktang salita kahit totoo. Bawal. You need to learn how to communicate with humor para mapatawa mo pa rin si Norilyn kahit nasabihin mo totoo. Okay? You need to learn how to communicate indirectly na hindi siya masasaktan. Baka kasi bawal maging harsh sa babae. Ikaw naman, Norilyn, wives, respect and submit yourselves to your husband. And it's not also a suggestion, it is a compulsory requirement in marriage. Why? Because scientifically proven, the man was designed to be logical. The man needs respect on top of everything. Respeto. Pag sinabing respeto, bawal insultuhin yan. Bawal sermonan yan. Bawal diktahan yan kung anong gagawin. Sabihin mo lang yung suggestion mo. And let your husband decide later on. At least nakonsulta ka. Hindi ka manunumbat later on na hindi ka na-involved. Ha, Ralph? Involve your wife in before deciding a major decision in your life as marriage partner. Yan ang mga no-no. Mga illegal gawin. Because when you violate that, you're actually violating the nature of your spouse. When you disrespect your husband, you're violating violating his nature. And when we violate nature, tandaan that it has built-in consequences. And it's supposed to last for a lifetime. Kaya kahit matagal na nangyari, pwede pa rin isumbat someday because you violated the natural law, the divine law in your relationship. Naintindihan po?
Opo.
So, pahinga na tayo. Ha? Good night sa inyong dalawa.
Good night din
At
po.
congratulations sa inyong forthcoming wedding. Pag kulang kayo sa guest, nandito lang ako. Ha?
Opo.
Gamitin din po kayo, Father.
Yes, oo. Madali naman lumipad doon. Ah,
Opo.
okay. Hope to see you soon.
Thank you po.
Thank you
Thank you so
po.
much
Oh,
po.
Good
Good
night
night po.
po.
yes. Yeah. Thank you. Good night and
Bye po.
Opo.
take care always.
Opo.
Bye-bye.
Thank you po.
Bye.
Bye.